What's going on, guys? Welcome back again to another video. In today's video I've got this amazing breakdown for you guys. It's a GJ trade, GBPJPY on the 4-hour time frame. Now I've sent this trade to the Discord and I was like, price is probably heading down to 164 level or 163 to the 200 163 200 230 level. Sent this to the group on, if we look at the screen right now, this is the chart, this is the screenshot that I sent to group members. By the way, link in the description if you are interested to join. I always send trade ideas and all the signals, all the trades that I'm getting myself into the Discord. So charts, I've sent it on the 28th. Today is the 1st, obviously, so that was a few days ago. I was like, this is where I have my first TP, and the reason why I have this line, I'll break this down for you guys right just now, so make sure you watch this video throughout the whole video and I will tell you why I have this level as a first TP. It'll all make sense in just a few moments. So this is the chart that I sent to the group members. It's not a lie, like this. I cannot fake this and send this a few days ago, and you know, so, and it's not edited. Like if it was edited, it would say that if it was edited, but you can see here me sending it on the 6th on the 28th of the 6th, sorry, a few days ago. So I sent this and this is it. Yeah, and obviously after I sent the exact entry time, and then obviously we got a beautiful 20 pip drop, and then just market just kept on dropping. But today we're going to be only focused on this specific trade right here on the 4-hour time frame. So if we look at the charts right now, this is how it looks. Absolutely insane. We were this was a little bit choppy here, but the trade was still right, the trade was still correct, so I was still holding, because if the market hasn't broken any structures and still intact, then you're good, right? So this was a 280 pips, guys. Absolutely insane. This was a 125. We had, well, I personally had a 56 pip stop loss above this resistance, because obviously price tried to break, but then it came straight back under, and then it was rejecting this resistance. So therefore I put my stop loss above. You must make sure to put your stops above a fluctuation zone. A fluctuation zone is what this here, right here. This here is fluctuation. So price is rejecting, so make sure you put your stops above that level so it doesn't like hit you, you know. Anyway, so after that, let me show you why and what I saw and how I got this trade idea. So if we go back to the daily, obviously I always get my trade ideas based on the daily and all the way down to the 4-hour. So the first thing that I saw on the daily is that the market made a lower high. You can see this high is lower than this high. Boom, that's our first lower high. And if you throw a Fibonacci on this, boom, this is a market structure point, because it's at a 88.6, so that is a market structure point. Therefore this lower high is valid, right? It's completely valid. Boom, delete that. Now let's go back to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, guys, this is what I saw. Boom, I threw a Fibonacci from the swing high to the swing low. Boom, 88.6, that's the same. Boom, so that is a market structure point. So once I figured that that's a market structure point, boom, then now on the 4-hour, that was the daily Fibonacci. Now on the 4-hour Fibonacci, this is what I had. I'll put my 4-hour Fibonacci from the swing high to the swing low that it made. Boom, price stopped at the 61.8 and closed above. Boom, and started playing around the 50 line. 50 is also a market structure point. 61.8 is a market structure. Therefore it made another lower high on the 4-hour time frame. Daily is bearish, we've established that. Now on the 4-hour, I placed another Fibonacci from the swing high to the swing low. Market retraced all the way to the 61.8 and settled at the 50%. You see here, price was settling between 50, well, when I say selling, I mean it was like fluctuating between the 50 and the 38.2. So price was not breaking above the 50 line. Therefore that confirms my entry is right. I hold my trade. After I've had this Fibonacci, obviously always first take profit is the negative 27%, and therefore that's why I had this line here. This was the negative 27%, and that's why I had that line there instead of keeping the Fibonacci. So what I do is, instead of keeping the Fibonacci on my charts, after I identify my negative 27, I just put like a line there, just so that we can have a clearer chart. I mean, if you compare this chart like this, and then you enter and you let price come down there, very clean and very neat, compared to having all these lines on your charts with the Fibonacci. And I can delete my Fibonacci. So that's where we took, well, that's what I took my first take profit. And second one was the 163.232. And if we look here, this is the support line, 163.232. This is it right here. And price actually surpassed that all the way down to the 1.6500 level, which is nuts. But hey, I'm happy with the profits. I cannot complain about such a beautiful trade. Obviously I removed the trend line just because I like to have my charts as clean as possible when I'm trading, so I can focus purely on the price and the candles. I don't want to be distracted by the trend lines and stuff. I want to be able to see what price is doing and where it's settling and where it's breaking and where it's not. Of course, the links will be down below for the public Telegram group. You're more than welcome to join. It's free. Talk to other people, send your charts, send analysis. And then obviously the Discord is my closed group, where I work with a lot of people on a personal level, like a one-to-one, and you can talk to me directly there and share your analysis. And obviously that's where I send my trade ideas and signals, all in the Discord. And that is a one-time fee, so you don't have to pay monthly. It's a one-time payment and you're in there for life. And this is how I got the trade idea. I always get my trade ideas from the 4-hour and daily, and then obviously after 4-hour, 2 bearish engulfing candles right here, these 2 beautiful candles closed below the resistance. That's exactly when, obviously I'm not going to go into a deeper breakdown because I do that in the Discord, but obviously I went down to smaller time frames to get the perfect entry and refined entry, and obviously get my final confirmations for the entry confirmation on the lower time frames. I just wanted to share this beautiful trade with you guys. If you enjoyed and found value in today's video, please leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.